దిస్ ఈజ్ శ్రీధర్ కటారి, సీనియర్ జర్నలిస్ట్, మేనేజింగ్ ఎడిటర్, వి మీడియా న్యూస్. ఇప్పుడు మనం హైదరాబాద్ మహానగరంలోని నాచారంలో ఉన్నాము. నాచారం పారిశ్రామిక వాడలో ఇండో ఎక్స్పో జరుగుతుంది. ఇక్కడ అన్ని కంపెనీలు వాళ్ళ ఉత్పత్తులను ప్రదర్శిస్తున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు సన్స్కోర్ అధినేత ఉదయ్ శంకర్ గారు ఉన్నారు. ఆయన వాళ్ళ కంపెనీ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ప్రత్యేకతలను, గొప్పతనాన్ని ఇప్పుడు మనకు వివరిస్తారు. ఈ కంపెనీ సాధించిన విజయాలు ఏంటి అనేది ఇప్పుడు మనం ఆయన మాటల్లో విందాం.
My name is Uday Shankar Akhnur. I'm one of the owner of this company called Suncor, formerly known as a SECO, Southeastern Equipment Company. We started this company around 45 years back. In fact, we are the pioneers in manufacturing servo stabilizer. I am the first person in South India to make servo stabilizer. Later on, there were so many offshoots from my company, and they started their own. We are mostly now focusing on defense equipments. We made some specialized defense equipment for Baba Atomic Research Center, Nuclear Fuel Complex, Indira Gandhi Reactor Station at Chennai, near Chennai. We made an equipment called a very high current rectifier to melt a chemical called zirconium. This zirconium metal is mostly used in making atom bomb in the wars and all. So to test that, to melt that, we made this. And we, after making this, we took also a gold medal from the Defense Ministry. They called us to Delhi and they gave me a gold medal for developing this. Even this equipment, we are the first people in India to make. Earlier, our Indian Defense Ministry were importing it from Russia, this equipment. So myself and my professor, thanks to my professor, we both did a lot of R&D on this project, developed and supplied at least minimum 5 to 6 numbers all over Indian defense base. Right now we are giving only in all India basis only. Now we are in very near future we have plans to export also this equipment. Overall total I must have made around 4 to 5,000 equipments of such equipments and all. Say industry, mostly in defense areas they are using this. Industrial, for the industries there are requirements, but there are very limited requirements. Mostly defense people are using by and large. They are extremely happy. Whatever equipment we supplied, we have never seen their faces. So that is the quality of our product we make. We take a lot of care in manufacturing stage itself. At the initial stage itself, we test each and every component and then put into manufacturing. Otherwise, if I feel that any raw material has some problem, we reject it on the first stage itself. This is the first time we are participating in the expo. I never participated earlier, and I'm really thank you for this expo organizations and all. I think we have a good response. At least 2-3 good responses from some top industrial people have. My father started this. Then I started, and my son started, and I'm sure the coming generation also will start. Yeah, of course we have a vision. Without vision, we can't. There is no point in doing business. So we have a vision, which later on you will also know. When the defense people approached us, initially we have not quoted for it because I never thought that I'll be able to make it. But then I took some consultancy from my professor also, who is an expert in this. Without his help, I couldn't have made this. Then we successfully did R&D and then supplied. And at the very first stage itself, we successfully completed the job, first project. Then later on, all the projects started coming automatically. So mouth of what they call it, So we have good orders on hand now. That's the prime. If there is no quality, means finish. You will not be given a chair to sit. So I mainly focus on quality, which is very important. I make equipments. I see that minimum it works on minimum 15 to 20 years. So I design like that, No shortcuts in the designing. No shortcuts. When I started my career around 45 years back, obviously I had that vision that I'll have so many people around us. So we are doing it very well. Yeah, they are down to it. All my family members, I'm really touch wood. I'm happy to say they are really helping. They are backing me always, Of course, my wife's name is Shobha Akhnur. So basically we are Kashmiri Pandits, we hail from Jammu. It's a long story around, you know. Nandita, Neve, and all, they have come to see this exhibition. So, thank you so much for